Welcome to the TLG Online Learning Center. This tutorial is on the article Citator. This is the second and final part of our tutorial on the article Citator. The first part of this tutorial reviewed the basics of the article Citator, including the three display options. It introduced TradeLawGuide's integrated browser. In this part of the tutorial, you will learn about the final component of the integrated browser, the jurisprudence citator. You will also learn how to sort data by dispute name and by passages most frequently cited. The final component of the integrated browser is the jurisprudence citator. This tool enables you to quickly view subsequent references to specific paragraphs or footnotes in jurisprudence that you may rely upon. You can determine whether subsequent jurisprudence follows a reference, modifies, distinguishes, or rejects it. For example, if paragraph 100 of the jurisprudence you are viewing is of interest to you, take the following steps. First, open the jurisprudence citator by clicking on the link. Then, click on the link to references in specific paragraphs and footnotes. This lists all paragraphs and footnotes that have been subsequently considered. Review the list to see if there is a reference to the paragraph or footnote of interest. If there is a reference, click on that reference and any subsequent jurisprudence referring to it will be displayed. You can then click on the citation link for the jurisprudence that is listed. In this example, you can see that the appellate body has elaborated upon its previous statement made at paragraph 100 of the asbestos report. This tool is valuable because it ensures that you are relying upon up-to-date information. This completes our explanation of the integrated browser. There are other helpful sort options that we will now review. Returning to the Sort Jurisprudence box, you can select Sort by Dispute Name. This option will group reports, awards, and decisions under their common dispute name. This is particularly helpful if you want to follow the treatment of a provision by panels, the appellate body, and arbitrators throughout the course of a dispute. This way you can follow the thread in the development of the law governing a particular provision. In this example, the asbestos dispute has a panel report and an appellate body report which address GATT Article 3(4). By clicking on the key findings for each, you can see that the panel found a violation of GATT Article 3(4), but the appellate body overruled this finding. You can browse the text of each report and compare the reasoning to get a full understanding of how the provision was treated in the two reports. The final sort option we will demonstrate is by passages most frequently cited. The results of this sort option are automatically generated by combining data from the article citator and the jurisprudence citator. It ranks all paragraphs and footnotes that reference a provision by the frequency they are cited in subsequent jurisprudence. The more frequently a passage in jurisprudence is subsequently referenced, the higher it is ranked. In this way, this sort option provides an indication of the importance of a particular paragraph or footnote. When you first use this sort option, click on the link, Understanding the Results of this Sort Option, to get a full explanation. In this example, we have sorted the passages citing GATT Article 3(4). The results of this sort first show the paragraph or footnote that has been referenced to most frequently, followed by the remaining paragraphs and footnotes listed in descending order of frequency. You can see from the results in this example that paragraph 61 of the appellate body report in gasoline, which itself refers to GATT Article 3(4), has been subsequently referenced the most times, 62. It is therefore ranked first. Paragraph 67 of the Appellate Body Report, India, Patents U.S., which refers to GATT Article 3.4, has been subsequently referred to 12 times and is ranked second. The rest of the references are then ranked in descending order. As you can see, the article Citator provides detailed information that is easy to access and substantially enhances the completeness of your research. This completes the tutorial on the article Citator.